Whether you eat or drink, or whatever you do, do all to the glory of God. Give no offense anyone. Don't grieve anyone with what you eat. If you know that what you eat will affect the other person's conscience, don't eat it in their presence. If you know that eating that particular food will make someone stumble in their faith, it is better you don't eat it, at least don't eat it in their presence. Don't give offense and don't offend anyone with what you eat. Let everything you eat and do give glory to God. Don't destroy with food the person Jesus died for.